people, now sorry for that interruption just now. I beg now call center the phone. I beg let's go back and start again. Madam, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What will be your name?
My name is Sweet Otakbolo.
Okay, where you from come?
I come from Yokorimo.
I beg my people, men are not vessel now. Call center that this way interrupt the phone. So I beg men are not vessel that interruption. So, madam, what will be your name?
My name is Mrs. Joy.
What about you?
Rachel.
It gets some matter where they happen for Ogiso on the 4th. Where they trend everywhere for Facebook, say one woman carry one girl go river. He carry reach the river, the woman not bring the girl come back again. And many of our people for diaspora and Nigeria, they ask why, what happen, how this matter happen. Many allegations don't see there. Say so now so police chop money, now so they bribe police there, now so they bribe police there. So we want more to tell the world and Nigeria in diaspora and Nigeria in Africa, what really happened on the 4th of January 2021. So now we Chris Media Group say we want to find out what really happened for that on the 4th. So madam, what happened on that the 4th? I beg, very comprehensive. Tell us what happened on the 4th.
On the 4th, when I go my friend place on the 3rd, now go my friend.
Who be your friend? What be her name?
Sandra Iyore Asemuta. That be her name.
Okay.
So I go her house, I go visit her on the 3rd, now go visit her. So that on the 4th, I lie down for a parlor. One of our visitors still come to.
You don't ever go that place before?
No, this was my first time.
To visit where?
Ogiso area.
Okay.
Hotel.
I bet madam wait to this victory. Where did they talk? So you know her before?
I don't know her before. What even make me go that Ogiso that on the 3rd? Because my friend children do Christmas and New Year for my house. So the mother I promised I say after Christmas and New Year, I will still come with my children. Now make me go that area. I don't know anybody for that area before. Now only that my friend.
So they say you when they talk the matter, they say you carry gallon from Aduawa, one go fresh water for Ogiso River. Any true they there?
I get well from my house. Why I go carry gallon from Aduawa? All the way from Aduawa, I'll carry gallon one go fresh water for Ogiso River.
So continue what happened on that before.
That day, that one I lie down for parlor where my friend Sandra Iyore Asemuta call me say if they hear some discussion for outside about my children and our children, say they want go swim for river. Say ma go cut their cars.
Sorry, now the Sandra so now born the victory.
No, now born Precious and Rachel.
Okay, now your mother now be Sandra so. Okay, which number of pikin you be for your hand?
Third.
Okay, now you be the woman third child. Okay, no worry, we are coming back to you.
So when I come outside, I don't meet my children. So I call rush wear my shirt and my knicker. Then this woman there outside, won't tell this woman say me show me the road to the river. So the woman come carry me go.
So madam, sorry. I bet pet your baby. I bet put on that make you baby play. Madam, really now you go show this woman the river?
Let me go show. Saying they look for her children.
Now you go show on the river.
Yes.
Not be the victory can and go the river.
Not be victory can and go river.
You know this woman before?
No.
When be the first time to see this woman?
Nah, that on Monday.
On Monday. Okay. But you tell me now say now the 3rd, which is also the night you go to the house. You see her that day?
I go birthday.
Okay, no go birthday. Okay, madam, so continue.
Carry your baby. So when she carry me go the river road, that's where they go. I meet my children, Christabel and Mercy, and Rachel and Precious, close to the river. Then I hold Christabel and Mercy, say mo go back house.
Madam, speak louder, please.
I say mo go back house. So Christabel and Mercy say, no, Mom, we want to see the river. So I follow the reach close to the river.
What be that Christabel and Mercy so?
And my children, 10 years and 8 years old.
Okay.
So when we reach the river, other children, they play already inside the water. There are 4 children. They inside the water. Aboki, they pick iron close to the river. The fisherman, they one side of the river like this. They fish for inside canoe. Then my children.
Sorry, madam, you said that 4 people that come into the river.
Yeah.
How many boys and how many girls? Is that 4 people?
3 boys and 1 girl.
Okay.
So my children come dey beg me, say, "Mommy, let us bathe small now." Then I hold their hands close to the side of the river. Then they just dey bath like this. The next thing, without they come out, me already they go house. Now I hear shout, "My sister, help oh, my sister!" As I hear the shout,
Who they shout so?
na one boy, the boy dey struggle to come outside. He dey shout. As I turn, now I see say na one boy dey shout, "Help, help, help!" He still dey shout, "My sister!" He come make sure the girl name Victory. Now everybody take rush, you come see the person hand.
You know the Victory before?
I no know am. My papa no know, my mama no know me. I no know them before.
Okay.
That was my first time.
Okay.
So when the shout attract us, we rush to the boy. We see person hand. Now I shout, hey, I broke it. The drop enter inside water. Fisherman turn he boat from the other side with another person for a boat for back. They rush, go. Me run follow the edge of the corner of the river. So they go, they come back. As they come, I see they shout, where the girl? They say they no see am again. Then we take the shout, they come. Before we shout, they come. The brother don't pick praise. Don't they go as? I mean, carry my children. All of us call the shout. They go because I never see that kind of thing for my life. The thing shocked me. I begin to shout, they cry. Then we call the chorus. As we reach house, we come, they say people don't. They my friend. I say I had my friend. Tarapa. Hey, what's it happen? I say, see what I experienced now. I never see this kind of thing for my life before. One boy they shout, sister. Before people go rescue, I mean shout, they don't see the girl again. So now my friend, everybody both they come rush go. As we they come back, when they come back close to my friend house, now the man attack me and my daughter. They attack me and my daughter. The rest children, everybody scatter. They say, madam, you carry your children. Do not fear. I say, I don't even know your pick. I don't know them before. But the shout when your one boy shout, now make me call you the shout for rescue. May they go rescue this girl come out. But they go come back. They say they don't see the girl. Now it start to they beat me. Oh, they beat me. I don't carry a pick. Go do rituals for river. I say, I don't know you before. You know me before.
You know, priest, river priestess.
Not be river priestess.
With the year say you carry white gallo go that river. How true is that?
White gallo, I no carry white gallo. What I want use white gallo go to do for river? My children I rush, run follow. Eh?
So when I come this house, so they come they beat you.
They come they beat me, tie my leg, see the mark. They tie my leg, tie my hand, tie my daughter, put tie around our neck, say they want bonus. Say they want bonus for rescue of the police. Now they reach SCG. From SCG to States, I spent 4 days. This I say.
Okay.
This woman and the baby.
Okay.
With my friend where I go see.
Okay, wait.
My 2 phones, they beat
Madam,
me.
wait. Madam, mama baby. What will be your involvement for this matter?
They say me go show Madam Sweet road.
To the river?
Yes.
So not be the Victory can go the river?
No.
Okay, your involvement for this matter is to go show our road to the river to go meet the children.
Yes.
So for the what can happen when I reach the river?
Nah, we don't already meet those children for the river. Not be we carry them go. Now, Madam Sweet say you want to go carry in your children. So the children come, they say, Mommy, let us play slow. So then she come, they close to the river. The next thing now we hear shout, hey, help oh, my sister, oh. We don't see hands. And then Madam Sweet come, they shout. One aboki man jump, enter inside the river. Now one fisherman, because he come fisherman, he come still go. He go, he find him, he not see him. He can't go back to us. Because he go back to the river again. As we dey come, now the man just start to dey beat Madam Sweet with his daughter. Say now Madam Sweet use the to do ritual.
What you make you feel say that man called the bitter?
I don't know what to make am.
The first girl quarrel?
No.
Your landlady where she can't greet, and these people they not fair they play.
I try dey play.
So what you can call that connection where they call the bitter?
I don't know. Say he rescue your children.
because the man dey talk now say na him pikin na him go show Madam Sweet the river. They arrest you because this mother say na you go show Madam Sweet the river. Which one na come one make the whole world believe now?
The one wey the whole world wan believe be say na me go show Madam Sweet the road to the river, not be the victory.
Okay, your involvement now for this matter say na you go show am the river.
Yes.
Na me dey call your name for inside this matter. Na me dey tell you your baby.
My baby, yes, for 4 days.
Okay, good. So my sister, how you dey? Abeg sit out. Wetin be your name? The Chancellor Mota. So wetin be your involvement for this matter? Who born you? Who be this matter to you?
My sister, my mommy friend.
Okay, na your mommy friend. Wetin? Who just she come on her house?
On the 3rd of January, Sunday.
On Sunday. So she dey talk us say na affect their house during Christmas and New Year. How true is that?
Yes.
Wetin happen from on the 3rd to the river? Abeg tell the whole world make dem hear.
On the 3rd of January, this woman come to
You know,
me
see where back
where I go to their house for Christmas and New Year for there. So on the 3rd, you can't come our house on the 3rd of January. So on the 4th of January too, I think your cousin say they want go me, but say I go show them the river. I can go show them the river. So as we dey go, because say Mama Naomi and the star Sweet no come to us for road, so say your mama to say we dey go river. Say yes, say we dey go river. Say me go check when the river then we dey go. Because they go river, me and star Sweet all of us come to go the river. Now they come meet us for because this one thing you go inside the river, Victory and the imam and
You know this Victory before?
yes.
How you take know I take dey close to you?
Just our neighbor, see their house, see our house.
Okay, na be neighbor for the same Ogiso there. Okay, now you come greet una.
Yes.
Okay. So how many of them did that river before now come? How many of them are coming for the river that day?
Now 4.
4 of them.
And the 2 imam and Victory and the 4 of them for the river.
Okay. So wetin go happen for that river? How they take wetin happen when I say people dey shout about that city, how that place, man talk how that place, be.
Star Sweet come our children and sister Ben and Mercy, they come dey jump on side of the river. Because see my sister and treasure, because they jump on side of the river. Mama Naomi come back at the but she no enter the river, but we dey side of the river. We want to because they hear sharp, we want do more the go because they hear sharp, now because they sharp, my sister. Some people call to fish and I want Aboki, make them to go rescue the Aboki your jump from the river, come with the friend again, no see the so if Shadow got to come back, because they no see the then because they go out, because they shot they go out. Oh God, because say people gather for our house, they say that cookies they do ritual.
So just like that. So abeg tell the whole world the truth, because not anything wey they do for this life, there's God at the end. There's God at the end. Tell the whole world the truth. Who carried that victory go river?
My brothers now for them, but not people they get.
Not Bunaga that comot.
No, not people should follow go the river.
Okay, who go show Madam Sweet the river?
Mama Naomi.
That mama baby.
Yes.
So not be the victory carry Madam Sweet go river. So as they reach us, wetin come make that man come dey beat Madam Sweet?
Say use the pikin for ritual. Say if you rescue the rest, why not fit rescue the pikin? Say use am for ritual. Say the rest one, pikin no come house. Or they talk say use am for ritual.
Wait, that the victory house, their victory house now. The victory where they define, so their house. Is they close to that river?
No.
I'm
3rd Street.
3rd Street to the river, but at the same Ogiso there.
Yes.
Okay, that to say that the same environment with the river.
Yes.
Okay. What do people want to know? Because the man they say, the girl father they say, now Sweet carry the children go river. Say the children go show Sweet the river. This mama baby, they arrest am now. Since how many days? Say she to the statement say that she go show Sweet a river when the children don't come on. How true be that one?
Yes, but she go show us and they come meet us for road.
They come meet, okay, the mama baby and Sweet come meet una for road where you and your sister they go river.
Yes.
So they come go river, come meet all those other one for river.
Yes.
Are you telling the world the truth? Because anything you are saying today, you are on live camera, everybody is seeing you. God Almighty is watching you. If you decide to lie to cover a crime, one day the truth must come out. So I beg, are you telling the world the truth? Because many sympathetic people don't take this girl father matter. Because we're not going to use one side here matter. That's why Christian media say no. Make it look for the other parties. Make them see here for their mouth. My people, all of you can hear from the people that are involved. You can hear from their mouths now what really transpired on the river that day. We are not judging. We just want to give the second party the chance to air their own view. So please, my people, on the comment section, share your thought on it. Let's see how we can do our survey and know where to start from. So thank you, my people, for watching. Thank you. God bless you. This is Crystal Media. We're always there for you to give you the right information at the right time. So this is the other party that are involved in Victory's case. We are heard from them. So it's not for us to analyze the statement and what is on ground of state CID and what the father is alleging. Thank you, my people. Thank you, those people in diaspora. Thank you, those people in Nigeria. We thank you, people. We thank you all. Thank you.